In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple strategy of how you can earn $1 per minute. Chances are that you're like, well, Diana, $1, it doesn't sound like a lot. And maybe if I told you 50 cents, you're like, let me pass. But if you do it over and over, and this is something that is not going to take you a lot of time, told me, I can tell you guys that this is actually money that is going to be helping you pay some things here and there. And especially if you're looking for a side gig or you are just, in your home and you want to earn some extra money, definitely this video is for you because this is something that is works worldwide. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can earn money over and over and over with something that is not going to take you a lot of time. And this is going to be PayPal money. Okay, so if this is something what you're looking for, this is definitely the video that you need to watch. Now, let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we guys are on this. First of all, guys, let me tell you a disclaimer here. I mean, this is a situation that has been happening. First of all, there is someone, a person or a group of people who are creating fake YouTube profiles, okay, asking people to reach them via WhatsApp. Okay, I don't use WhatsApp, so if you notice that there is someone reaching you with my picture, with my profile picture, asking you to reach them on WhatsApp, that's definitely not me. Another situation that I realize, and this is because the community let me know, is that there is there is a person, there is a company, there is a group of people who knows that they're using part of one of my videos and they took it out of context. Okay, they took it out of context and they are showing it on this video as if I'm using an app. I'm not 100% sure if this app is a game, but what people told me is an app that is promising, people to make money online. Actually do not use any kind of games to make money online. I'm not promoting that. Okay, someone, as I told you, it's using part of my video and they took it 100% out of context and they are using me as a testimonial. So if you saw a video that it's outside of this YouTube channel, hey, report it, okay? Because that's definitely not me. Now, let me show you everything step by step. Let's go to the strategy. Okay, as you can see here, we have this website in which we have a lot of gigs. And the cool thing, guys, if you pay attention, you're going to notice that here it says international, except for this one that says Brazil. But all of it says international. So that means that it doesn't matter where you guys are from, you can do these tests. Okay, these tests are not like super time consuming. Some of them are going to take you 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute. Even we have this one, but this one is from Brazil. They're paying $5 for 5 minutes. Okay, but we have this one. It says international, learn the easy way to earn. Okay, it's 43 cents for 2 minutes. Okay, so we have a lot of things. Okay, even from people in the US, people if they're only in India. Okay, there is a lot of potential here. I can show you several things that you guys can do. Here we have make money daily and easy, international, $1, 1 minute, and you can earn even one more, okay? So these are gonna be things that you are doing anyways, or things that are not time consuming, except for this one, which is 17.60 for 30 minutes, well, which is not actually bad. It's way more than more people are doing per hour. Okay, still not bad, but we want something fast. For example, we have um here we have someone says watch a video, like, share, and subscribe. Well, but maybe we don't like this one because it's just 6 cents for 3 minutes, and that's not definitely what we're looking for. We have here a review, we have a 5-star review, we have post a review. But if you want to know, like, hey, I really want to be making sure that I'm earning the most, I'm going to show you 2 ways in which you can actually do the search. And also I'm going to be revealing in a moment how this actually works. Okay, first, we can go by time. For example, hey, I don't have that much time, so I'm going to do something quick that it's going to be taking me 1 minute. Okay, here we have follow and comment. Well, it's 6 cents. It's not a lot, definitely not what I'm looking for. But here I have the money, make money daily and easy. Um, it's $1. We have the registration here. It's 35 cents. We have this one for UK for people who would like to download an app. We have this one, sign up and earn. It's again $1. So you're going to be, okay, um, checking on stuff. For example, we have this one, earn real Bitcoin using this browser, generate lifetime passive income. It sounds like a winner to me. It's 80 cents. And also I'm going to be earning some extra cash. Definitely something that I would like to take into consideration. Here, if I click most paying, I can see the offers that are paying the most here. Okay, here I have this one, 1760. Here I have 1360 for 30 minutes. It's international. Here I have 3 minutes, 521, 3 minutes, 521. I think you already got it, okay? So there are actually several ways, guys, in which you can do this and you can earn it over and over and over, okay? And even if you do some tasks that are going to be paying you like, let's say like 50 cents, okay, per minute, okay, and let's say that you're going to be doing this for an hour, okay, it's going to be $30, okay? So if you decide like, hey, I would like to give it a try, there's many options and I have some spare time, I don't want to spend time watching TV and all the stuff, I want to be earning, definitely this is an opportunity for you guys. And chances are that you might be wondering like, Diana, okay, what's the name of the website? Well, the name of the website, this is actually how the test looked like. All the description and examples here. This is another one. So don't panic like, wow, that's a lot of description. Okay, but the name of the website is this one. It's called Rapid Worker. Okay, Rapid Worker. So you're going to go to rapidworkers.com. Okay, tasks that can be accomplished really fast. Project are low cost. Okay, here are some of the benefits. People are doing activities, and this website has been around for a really long time. The payment methods, as I told you before, it's actually PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can go to paypal.com and you can create your account. Which type of account can you create? Go to personal, okay? Go and create a personal account. There is no need to create a business account if you don't have a business. Just go with a personal and that's okay. To use Rapid Worker, okay? How do you register? Well, it's really easy. Just put your first name or actually your name, a valid email address, okay? Your name and email address cannot be changed. A password, choose the country where you're from. You're going to see that most of the country, I think all of them are listed here. I might be wrong, but chances are that your country is here. There are some rules. You cannot use a VPN. You cannot have multiple accounts using the same IP or public Wi-Fi. Okay, so if someone else is going to be using this in your house, uh, one person can use the computer and the other one needs to use the cell phone data, okay? Same IPs with other accounts, okay? Avoid them so you don't have any kind of issues. Also, do not choose jobs that are not available in your country. Hey, there are a lot of jobs here, as you can see. There is a lot of potential for international. Also, you can click here and you can check here by country, okay? So there is a lot of potential. If I go here and it says international, everything here is just international. So literally, it doesn't matter where you're from. You're going to see here that we have people paying 1360, 521, 4, 239, 195. So there is no excuses. A lot of $1. Okay. So there is no excuses, guys. Okay. For you to try to trick the system. Really easy test. Something that you can actually do. Okay. But guys, this is a way in which you need to exchange your time or trade your time with money if you want to do something different. Okay, and you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so you don't have to trade your time with your money. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and I see you on the next video.